Tree Removal Canberra. When tree removal is needed, trust the expert services of LiRo Tree Services. Our team in Canberra is fully equipped to handle any tree removal challenge, from managing branches to ensuring a professional and efficient job every time. We understand that tree removal is sometimes necessary for safety reasons or to enhance the appearance of your property. With extensive experience in the tree industry, we provide a range of services, including palm tree removal, tree cutting, and the removal of large or hazardous trees. We ensure your trees and branches are removed safely and efficiently, leaving your property clean and tidy. Our specialists are committed to delivering high-quality tree removal services that prioritize safety and professionalism. If you need to remove trees that could affect your neighbors or surrounding areas, get in touch with LiRo Tree Services today. Contact our experts to remove dead trees and improve the beauty of your landscape.